In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo with your Shopify store quickly and easily. This integration helps you automate email marketing, track customer behavior, and create powerful campaigns to grow your e-commerce business. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Klaviyo website. Log in to your Klaviyo account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Klaviyo dashboard, look for the Integrations section and click on it. This is where you can connect Klaviyo with platforms like Shopify. Next, click on Add Integrations and use the search bar to type Shopify. When Shopify appears in the results, select it to begin the setup process. Now, click Install or Connect Shopify. You'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL and authorize the connection between Klaviyo and Shopify. After entering your store details, follow the on-screen instructions to approve permissions and complete the integration. Once connected, Klaviyo will begin syncing important Shopify data such as customer information, order history, and browsing activity. This allows you to create automated email flows, abandoned cart emails, customer segments, and targeted marketing campaigns directly from Klaviyo. After setup, you can explore Klaviyo's automation tools and pre-built email templates to improve customer engagement and boost sales. And that's it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo with Shopify. Thanks for watching.